Welcome to the Shady place. In this episode, we take a drive through Nashville, make a pit stop in Chattanooga, and go kayaking at Jackson Island Campground. I'm Shay, this is my wife Katie, and our pup Rusty. We're wandering around the United States in our RV Floretta. Come with us as we explore this beautiful country.
I love those purple flowers, those trees that have purple bloom, purple blossoms, purple flowers! So where are we going, Shay?
We are going down to Chattanooga, Tennessee.
Woo!
About a 2-hour drive, and we're gonna go down there and just find a little rest area or Walmart or something to stay the night, and then continue on in the morning.
So what are we doing today, Shay?
Alright, we got plans together. We're gonna go do the little Cedar Mountain Trail, and then we're gonna go about an hour north of Chattanooga and go camp at Jackson Island. It's a campground, free campground that's like right on the lake. It's pretty cool.
Cool. So we made it to Little Cedar Mountain. We're gonna pull Beretta over, make some lunch, all that. Oh, there's a little bridge. I see the trail. Let's get ready. Okay, so the universe works in mysterious ways. We're getting all ready for our hike, and we see a puppy, and Rusty goes out and starts playing with this puppy, and we ended up meeting some new friends. Hey, y'all.
Yeah.
So they're really cool people. Shout out to you guys. It was great meeting y'all. Aloha! Unfortunately, I think it's a little late for the hike now because we still have about an hour drive to our spot. So I think we're just gonna hang out, maybe get a sky view with the drone of this place, and then we'll head on back on the road.
What more does this world have for me? I'd like to know, but I think I'll just sit back and see. It takes a special kind of mind to survive on hills like these. Roots digging through solid rocks, not a place to feel at ease. So I sit and wonder what the hell is wrong with me. Why do these dusty old rocks make me feel so free? What more does this world have for me? I'd like to know, but I think I'll just sit back.
All right, it looks like we made it to the area that we're gonna be staying the night at. Shay's gonna take a little peek at the sign and see what it says, and then we'll find our spot. Wow, we like just pulled in, and it's a very nice area. Okay, let's figure out where we're gonna park her. All right, looks like we found our spot for the evening. Like we're gonna pull in right there. Shay's giving the little looky-loo. Sorry. Got Robert Johnson playing in the background. We can't be having that on the videos. No copyright, no copyright. But yeah, so I think this will be our spot. The sun's starting to go down, so I'm losing light with the camera. But I want to give you a quick tour before it does. This place is actually like really beautiful, y'all.
The happy boy.
So yeah, this will be our spot for, I think we're probably gonna stay here for a while. This is beautiful. I mean, just look at that over there. Oh, it's like a Bob Ross painting, y'all.
It just has a lot of color in it, one that'll make you feel good inside.
It's very beautiful out here. This campground is not too bad. You kind of, here, let me show you. You kind of just drive down the road and you've got spots that are like all along the sides there. But it's an island, so the whole area is surrounded by water, so you'll be able to get beautiful views like this. This is a good one.
Yeah, it's one of the only free campgrounds around here.
Nice. And we got a little beach. Look at our little beach. Oh my God, this is great. I have no idea what the day is in store for, but so far, it's turning out to be a pretty okay day. Oh, hello, little bug. He says hi. So tonight for dinner, pork tenderloin. It's like Shay's got the grill all set up. She's preheating, I can smell her. We got like rocks in our chairs. That's how windy it is. You see the rocks that we have in our chairs? All right, I'm gonna go inside and finish preparing dinner and then we'll get it all set. Are you hungry?
Katie, what the hell are you doing?
Oh, hey guys.
Nothing. I'm excited for the bread. It's gonna be good bread. Oh my God, this pork smells so good. Let's take a little peek and see what we're working with here. Ooh, look at that fat coming out. She looks good. I think I'm gonna give her maybe like 5 more minutes, maybe 3. And we'll cut her up and see what she looks like on the inside. Oh yeah. Dinner's ready.
Ooh-wee.
12 o'clock midnight.
Whoo, we got a storm tonight, y'all. I think we'll be okay though. Shay's checking the weather. I think we'll be okay.
Says strong thunderstorms will impact portions of Rhea County, which is where we are. Wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour.
It looks like 50 out there.
Yeah, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecure objects. By 3 or 4, it's gonna stop.
Couple hours. Good morning. Good morning. So we survived the storm last night. It was kind of windy for a couple hours after I recorded, and then it started to die down, like Shay said. So I think we might take the kayak out, maybe do a little paddle around the lake. Oh, no fair! I went inside to pee, and he straight up jacked the kayak. Did you have a nice swim? Ugh. See you later.
Later.
Go get her. Go get her. That was fun. I saw a butterfly fly over the lake. Even butterflies fly over lakes.
Welcome to Shay's Sandwich Shop. Today we have the double-decker Cuban. It is a favorite among many clients.
We see another bald eagle. Go America! Yeah! My telescope's broken, so I can't do the telescope this go around. Sorry, you guys. But he's right across the lake. Shay's looking at him through the binoculars. It's a full moon tonight! So this will be our last night at Jackson Island. Overall, it was a pretty good stay. I think I'm gonna do one more paddle. It's kind of a gray day, but I want to get some more kayaking in before we leave.
As As the sun sets over the Gulf Coast and the path has been laid down, I can see a memory when a fool put on that crown. There he goes out in the blue with that backdrop hanging down. Everything I thought I was is so far from me now.
It doesn't need to be a pretty day to enjoy that. Hi, buddy. It's a beautiful morning. We're gonna go ahead and leave Jackson Island. Let's get her all packed up. Let's get on the road.
Have a good one.